I don't know where John is at.
They look like they were at a different gas station.
Hello, everybody.
We're going to another
Race meet.
where am I going? What? Okay, I'm sorry, minivan. We are at a different location in Mexico, and we are hanging around with another group of cars. I should have more runs in this time compared to the last time we went to Mexico. We're running like 7 cars deep. So we got my car, we got a 340i, we got like, is that all 3 Type Rs?
Yeah, all 3 Type Rs.
3 Type Rs, 3 AFK8s. We have a ZL1 with us.
And a 1LE.
And then a 1LE Chevy Camaro 5th gen thingamabobber. We should so go to Topgolf.
Really, right here. I didn't know they had Topgolf in Mexico.
They do. Golf is an international sport. We're running 2 passengers today. We have that guy back there.
That guy.
And then that guy holding the camera. All right, calm down.
What are we gonna run tonight?
Supposedly a Trans Am that's lining up with us, a Hellcat Challenger. So basically the miniature version of the Trackhawk, but stock and rear-wheel drive. What else was there? I think a Mustang, maybe 2 Mustangs. I don't know. The thing about this group is they all ask me for a car in a hit, 2 cars in a hit, 3 cars in a hit. These are all guys that drive Mopars, Mustangs, and I drive a SUV. Well, why did they do this to me? They're scared. We are heading to the meet and we'll go do a walk around of the group of cars that we brought and then the group of cars that we are meeting up with at Chihuahua, Mexico. Why are they all looking at us?
Probably because they heard T51 Armor.
Who am I miking up? Who am I miking up? Am I miking up you? Am I miking you up?
Where
I put the at? Right here? Who's dying? Shane?
That bitch run up like an RX-7. God, dog.
Just keep recording.
We should have been at a...
All right, we got Ray on the mic.
What's happening, y'all?
Instagram. All right, let's go talk to these people. Yeah, we're gonna instigate.
Half the video is gonna be my fucking shivering.
Shivering. Who am I talking to?
I wanna run that truck with the trailer on it.
I don't know any of these guys. You're Jesse? Dang, you are fat, bro. I met this guy on Instagram and I thought he was like a big, like Jesse just sounds like a big guy. Sounds like a big guy. See, your Instagram looks like you're a skinny guy.
Hell no, I'm fat as
No Bunny Marrow. Who's out here?
We got Dylan, Pontiac, that's pretty fast.
I'm gonna act like I know who Dylan is. Hey, Dylan. Long time no see, dog.
Tyler, then Josh.
Hey, if they start an argument, I got the first punch.
Huh?
Huh?
Who you punching?
Nobody, I'm just kidding.
What's up, Alex?
What's up, man?
That's bro, Matthew.
Matthew.
Yes, sir.
What's up?
What's up, dog? Alex. Hey, I just told this dude my name is Alex. Oh, no.
What?
Hey, what's up, bro? I was like, what's up, bro? Alex.
They all know what I look like.
I'm gonna do that all night. What's going on, bro? Alex, Kaylee.
You look a little brown.
Adopted.
Habibi.
I'm about to Habibi all those Hellcats. I'm about to Habibi all those Hellcats.
I don't know any of these Waco guys by face or by name. I literally only know their Instagram names. That's it.
Right now.
You cold, bro? Nah, bro, your dogs are barking, bro. You already said everything. The weather is, what's the weather?
Below 0, motherfucker. Feel like a...
Come on, I'm trying to be weatherman here.
Hold on, bro.
Okay, we're not in though.
We're not in...
Wait, we're in Mexico.
Oh wait, we're in Mexico.
How does it say, why does it say
We're in Santa Pablo.
We drove like 8 hours. How are we telling
I don't know, bro. I think her bugging out.
It's 40 degrees, but it feels like 5 because the wind.
Oh. Anybody want a soda jacket?
Hey, can we cuddle? Can we cuddle, sir? Can we cuddle? Can we cuddle?
Hey, hold on, let's just...
Hey, it's like...
Oh, that's out of here.
Yeah, it's colder. No, I'm gonna smell like your cologne.
Now I'm gonna smell like you.
Oh, whoa. Hey, what's poking me? What's poking my time right now?
Hey, we're in Mexico. We gotta dance Mexican.
Can we get horchata after this? Hey, bro, why's your churro hard?
That shit warm my stupid ass up. Woohoo!
Yeah, let's go do some construction.
Oh, shit. The negotiations begin. I got the first punch. I'm just kidding.
I got the first elbow.
Real men don't cry.
I'm not crying.
Real men
How
cry.
hard?
I'm not even cold for real. This It's hot.
Like if the wind stops blowing?
It's
or
hot.
As soon as it starts blowing,
It's hot
I'm
as
like,
f***.
You're sweating, bro?
Yeah, it's
Let
hot
me get
as
in there, bro.
fuck.
Open up.
Now I'm cold as f now.
Come on, instigator.
I just got a what's it called?
A lock-in?
Yeah, I'm gonna race this Mustang. That's a Discount Tire customer. The dude over there, the blue Mustang. You'll see it. Nah, it's from when I was back home.
It's called Discount Tigre.
Discount Llanta.
Ooh.
Where's his Mustang at? His not even here. Oh, there it is. It's that red one.
Okay.
Hey, take a look at this. This is the one I'm about to run.
Oh, yeah. That's E-Dog.
Yeah,
Yeah, I didn't know. He's from too.
I know. His fast or what?
I think it's like a basic setup.
He told me his football's on cam.
Yeah.
At work, allegedly. I'll put these tires on for him. Good thing I set him to 40 PSI. His is not hooking.
Evil man.
Hey, you got your VCR on here or what? Oh, I actually have one in the car. I'm about to shout.
Your what?
My VCR valve core remover. So you put it in the valve stem and you can take the core out and it lets all the air out of the tire. While they're negotiating, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna lock in a race. They're gonna be racing and so boom. I'm gonna race his vet.
Are you?
I don't know. They're racing for bread or for fun?
Some people are, but we're all here for fun. Some of them want to run for money, but they're all scared from me.
I'll race you for bread. I got $20 right now. Give me 3 cars in the hit, first to 120.
They're locking in $100, 50 or 60 roll. It's a Camaro over there.
You said 100 roll?
No, 50 or 60 roll for $100. And then I think there's the green sky down there. Pretty sure it's on nitrous. Should be a good run. I guess we're blocking the third lane for people. Great, tell the story, bro. What happened?
This Caucasian man driving a tow truck. Oh, that's super loud. That's ass. Here we go, going to the moon. God, dog. The tow truck story. This
Full car, by the way. Full car.
Nah, that wasn't even fast for real. I was just trying to make it feel better.
Right.
So they said they wanted to take this specific road.
Yeah, it's not cold, bro. It's not cold at all. The window rolled down is perfect.
Hey, get the tripod that's under your feet right now.
I don't know how to use a tripod. Hey, get next to his stupid. I'm about to record him getting gaffed. Hold on, idiot.
Barrel got a top, bro.
I think so too.
Oh, why do they go on a?
I'm gonna race that Camaro, or I'm gonna race that Scat Pack for bread. That's slow.
That was a really, really good race.
I'm gonna hit a parlay tonight. I'm gonna tell him I'm just
That
intake only.
was really close.
I'm gonna race him next. I mean, so that I'm gonna tell him intake E only for $100. It's like I'm watching a movie. I got you, bro. I know the adrenaline is kicking in. Look at that. You see though the four Giottos on that Mustang. Look at his front wheels. That one?
Yeah.
Yeah. That don't look good with 17.
Hey, my brother! My brother!
What, the ST?
Yeah. My grandson, technically.
Grandson.
All right, buddy. Where do they go?
I don't know. I would speed up if I was you though.
I figured we'd turn around right now. Yeah. Because that Mustang on the right is blocking traffic. Oh, no.
Hey, get in the middle lane.
You're so
This
slow.
thing's kind of moving, actually.
No, it's not.
Man, these Mustangs getting embarrassed.
Okay, I think we just turn back around.
Hey, pass this box structure. An express van driving slow as a mother. God damn, his ass doing a roadie delivery. Holy shit. And that was a fun run, or y'all race for some money? It was 100. 100?
It's close as bro. And then I saw you bump up a little bit after that.
I definitely pulled in 4.
Yeah. I'll race him again for 100. Alex, why you getting all jibbity jabbery? You're in a mother vehicle. You're okay.
Yeah, they're not gonna do nothing.
What?
I know that he's going for all of them first.
I'll race him for 100 and I'll give him a hit. Oh, there he is right there, the cop.
Remember, you don't have your wallet on you either.
I don't, yeah.
You don't have your who? Your
My wallet, I forgot it at home.
You're a moron.
Stop recording. Oh, I am. Oh, you recording me?
Cut that shit on 4K. I'm gonna talk to him and he gonna get mad. And then I'm gonna be like, hey bro, what the fuck you wanna race me then? And put the $100 you're gonna give him.
Okay, race me for a tiebreaker.
Race him.
Scared for a mom car?
I think he won that, bro, to be honest. Especially the way he was coming around it. If it was close, like he wasn't gaining any
Like, if we're talking about
it'd be different. But if it was like
Look,
that,
in my opinion, I feel like
he's like going
if y'all both cool with it, because like there's a lot of stuff going on, right? Like no mile per hour, there was a curve. Y'all don't know exactly who won. I always say, just run it again sometime soon. Yeah, on a straight road. Because I'm telling you, like, you're not betting money on a curved road, you know?
No.
These two guys raced on a curved road for money. Who races on a curved road for money? So I'm like Moses. Guys, no one needs to pay. right? Your GoPro 360 didn't have mile an hour. Y'all raced on a curved road, and everyone's cool here. No one's like fighting for money.
Have enough pressure.
And doesn't have enough pressure to run again. I'm like, guys, just run it another day on a straight road with mile an hour, so we can have a declared winner, right? Peacemaker. North Korea is #1.
Yeah, like remember, you know how the CTSV video, whenever the dude's racing, as he's passing him, his homie put his ass.
Oh, my cameraman will do that. Yeah, he's trying to run
We
it.
should have done it now. I didn't. Well, we should have done it whenever you left. I didn't know.
Oh, you didn't know we left?
I mean, I just went to cut off the third lane for them.
We could do it on the way back.
Okay.
So basically, at the gas station, we'll just talk about it.
Yeah.
We can talk about the gas station and then block y'all off.
Okay.
Back here.
All right.
Sounds good.
You want me to count it, or do you have a passenger?
I have a passenger. I'm gonna take left lane.
Take left lane.
Yeah.
Take a passenger?
I'm taking 2 with me.
Oh,
Man, I would do that. You all-wheel drive?
Yeah.
oh, he alright.
Get Alex the hit.
Come on, man. We don't have to take a hit.
No, you go heads up. No, I'm not trying to go out with like more than 5 cars, more than 5 or 6.
That's Mr. Silent.
That's Mr. Silence.
Bro, I don't know faces, bro. I'm the only one with regular pictures on my gram, bro.
Here's all their tags. Look, this is Rich Eaton.
Okay.
I remember he counted 5-0.
Bro, but half of them, nobody even talk, bro.
They just got people.
It's like the same 10 people.
They just got.
Man, you shorter than I thought. I thought you was sitting here like 6'5".
Say I was short. Yeah, I was short as bro. Can you run
You said, not yet. 60. Yeah.
That was good.
That was a good run.
Bro, he's like right here.
Sheesh.
That was a good ass run.
That was a good run. Where are the other cars at?
See the 150? It was like a 55.
I let off at like 159. He probably was on my rear tire. It was a good run.
That's a good run then.
It was a good run.
Is he NA or is he
He's NA.
He's NA?
I don't know if he's spraying though. I don't think he is.
He is, bro. Waco plays too much.
6th gen, like good NA cars. So
They are. Yeah, he's
100 or 200 kilometers.
how much do you think a gutted 6th gen weighs?
Like high threes?
It depends on how far he gutted, but if he's just like seats and tire, he should be like 34 car weight.
What do they stock?
Between 33 and 34.
What's their stop weight?
It's
like 42, 43.
I think it's like.
Hey, so who do you think you're about to run again?
Might run the Trans Am because I didn't actually run him, but we did run him. But it was like an impromptu run.
I'm a base model 5G and I'm 3820 after my weight reduction.
3820.
With me in it, and I weigh 210. So my car is 3610.
Yeah, they're
36.8.
almost 37.
What's up, baby? K-Town holding it down. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You saw? Were you behind me on that run?
Yeah, I was behind you.
Yeah, that was a good
Bro,
run.
you gotta tell these motherfuckers they're chasing you the whole time, bro. That shit is not safe, bro. They're chasing you as you're running. That Corvette was on your ass like this.
That vet.
Like, bro, that shit is not safe, bro. Grab
No,
you
because
let off.
yeah,
Boom.
the reason why I started braking is that way I gave the Camaro some leeway space to turn into my lane if you needed to, you know. We got back to the home base after running the 6th gen SS. Good run, but the night has come to an end. Shane's car is down, so we're now heading back to Texas. You know, one run, basically, like last time. What a shame.
The Hellcat and Trans Am didn't want the smoke.
All the Hellcats were pretty stocked. I feel like based on a video I'll put in right here, Trans Am would have gotten walked for sure if I left properly, which I'll explain later. Yeah, we're just gonna get some fun runs on the way home with just our little crew. Enjoy.